I'm gonna get a new tattoo.
Oh, there's Brian.
Nah, needles don't scare me.
I should go talk to him. How do I look? Here goes. Can we help you? Hi, Brian.
Hey, how's it going? Nice teddy. I've got one like that.
Hey, that's mine! This is so pathetic! Give it back! Ooh, so close. Stop it!
Hey, take it easy.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Sorry, Lizzie. Babe, that was so not cool.
That's my wool unicorn. Ugh, it's so unfair! Who's there? Oh, it's you, honey. Are you okay? I don't want to talk about it. Aw, don't cry, sweetie. Granny's here. It's okay. I need to deal with this myself. Why is Brian with her? We'd make a cute couple. I wonder. I should have known it was about a boy. I think I know how to fix this. Come on. Take a seat. What? What's going on? Granny? Do you know what you're doing? This isn't the first time I've had to get a boy's attention. How do you think I got your granddaddy? Now don't move. Whoa. Put the scissors down, old lady. But it's okay. I have a backup. I'm back. What is that? It's a barbecue. Are we having burgers? Nope. But I need the charcoal. We need to change your look. This boy likes dark-haired girls, so say goodbye to your blonde locks. Are you serious? Yep. I'll add some lemon juice. We just need a squeeze. That should do it. Now I need to make it into a paste. I'm not sure about this. Okay. Oh, this looks good. I think we're ready. Brace yourself. I'm doing this for Brian. I can't forget my gloves. This is going to get messy. I'll need a good handful. And then I'll apply it straight to your hair. Wow, look at that color. It's so dark and edgy. I'm starting to regret this. Live a little. We're almost done. You look great. Really? You're not just saying that? Whoa! It looks amazing! I should never have doubted you. I really suit it. You really do. Let me have a look at you. We still have work to do. Let's braid it. This will look cute. It's so easy to do. We can't forget about the other side. I'm pretty happy with that. Wow. I love it! Thanks, Granny! You're the best! Give me a hug, sweetie. We should take off those glasses. Great idea. I feel so pretty. I need to do my nails. I can't afford a manicure, so I'll have to do it myself. I've got every color of nail polish in here. What should I choose? There's so many choices. It's a little bright. What about this one? It's not gonna go with my moody look. Ooh, this is the one! This is gonna look awesome. Huh? The bottle's empty. It's all gone. Oh, that's just typical. Hang on. I can use this black pen. I'll take it apart. All I need is the ink chamber. I'll need a bowl. I hope this works. I'll need to blow on it. The ink should flow out. Just like this. Phew. I'm getting dizzy. Now I'll take a brush and dip it into the ink. I can use it to paint my nails. It's perfect. It goes on so well. Then all I have to do is wait. Once they're dry, I'll have black fingernails. Wow, just look at them. I need to show Granny. Take that! Hey, Granny! Look at my nails! Very nice, dear. I did them myself. They look so professional. They sure do. Woohoo! No! Granny! What have you done? You need to be careful! I'm so sorry. Let's clean you up. I get carried away when I'm baking. Is it gone? I think I got it all. What are you staring at? Your skin. It's like porcelain. Give me your hand. Wow. It does look paler. It's a flower. Whoa. It's just like makeup. Granny does it again. I need to go get ready. Knitting is so relaxing. Hi, Granny. I need to finish my makeup. This isn't gonna do. What should I do? Oh, I know. I need some eyeliner. This'll make all the difference. I want Brian to get lost in my eyes. I just need to go nice and steady. Whoa! That was so easy. Now for the other eye. I'll draw a line and then flick it. There. No problem. Wait. That's not right. One side is bigger than the other. I can fix it. I just need to go over it. Ugh, that looks worse. I'll try and even it up. Not again! I'll get it right this time. Ah! Stupid eyeliner! This is going to be one huge scarf. I need to keep my little princess warm. Be honest. Does it look bad? Whoa! Vampire! My heart! Oh no! Stay away from the light, Granny! I've got your tablets! It was just so frightening. The pale face, the dark eyes. I thought my time was up. Don't move. This isn't comfortable. That won't do. Wait a second. I think I can use this. It'll give you flawless liner. I'll cut off one of the corners. Huh? Where did it go? There it is. This is perfect. Oh, and we'll need my gum. I'll stick it to the back of the foil. What else do we need? I know. I can stick this hairpin to the gum. Now let's fix that makeup. Give me the liner. Here you go. I'll use it to color the foil. I want to cover it completely. I think that looks about right. Stay still. I'll press it against your eyelid. It'll leave behind the perfect winged liner. It works every time. Wow! You're so smart, Granny! Wow, it's amazing! You keep surprising me. What would I do without you? It's just what I do. I'm making cookies for Brian. I hope he likes them. I followed Granny's recipe. It's so delicious. I'll wait until they're golden brown. I can't wait.
I'm loving this outfit. Whoa.
Oh hey, Brian.
Get out of here, Molly. Time to bring my A-game.
Oh my gosh, he's flirting with me.
You know, we never hang out. That's gotta change. Have I told you how hot you are? I mean, you're like smoking.
Huh? Smoke? What? What's going on? The cookies! No! They're ruined! This is a disaster! Oh, Brian's not gonna eat these. I don't think anyone can eat them. Wait a second. This gives me an idea. I could use some new clothes. I'll put this dress into the oven. Then crank up the heat. I'll have a cute black dress. I can't believe I got a hole in my jacket. Wait, is that smoke? No! Fire! Fire! Don't worry, Lizzie. I'm coming! Help is here! What are you doing? Oh hey! Check out my new dress! Pretty cute, huh? It really completes the look. Wait, I've been working on this pose. Very nice.
Huh? What the… Ah! Mommy! Wait, what is it?
Hey you. Remember, be moody.
I love what you've done with your hair.
Really? That's so sweet. What's going on? Brian? Hey!
Uh-oh. It's Molly. Just ignore her. She'll go away.
What just happened? It's so unfair! What's your best beauty tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.